Hello, this is David and welcome to Equity Story. Thank you very much for taking a trial. The idea of this video is to give you a little bit of an insight into all the great things that we offer on our website and what you get for the money. Um, First of all, I'd like to show you the trending, and the trending has just been, I suppose it's really making us very famous at the moment in the markets, and people are absolutely spun out with what we've been doing with the trending. And basically, it's very simple. We trend the whole of the ASX 200. As you can see at the moment, really, there's not much to look at. The way the market is sort of behaving at the moment. But here's one we did recently, and if we've got a good trend, it's basically 3 thumbs up. We like the weekly, we like the daily chart, and it hits all our indicators. Then you'll get a nice email in the post recommending that you buy the trend, and we give you an exact price. And if you want, you can go to the website, you can click on the company, and you can scroll down. It'll tell you exactly what we think you should pay for the stock. And then when we send you an email out, it'll tell you exactly what we think you should be selling the company for, and how much profit you should make on the trade. It really is a fantastic service, the trending, and it certainly has a huge following already in the marketplace. So we also trend some smaller companies as well, and again you get the email saying we suggest you buy the trend, and please don't pay more than this amount. Here's some ones that we've done recently. So MyNet Phone, that was I think done last year. That was a nice sort of 9.33% profit in a few days. And then there's a little help button here that tells you a little bit goes through our signals, and it tells you the different recommendations and what they mean. Really, just on its own, the trending is absolutely the most fantastic service, and we really hope you enjoy it. And also, if you've got a stock, we always say with Equity Story, one maybe that's not in our on our watch list, and it's a stock you want to buy, just give us a call at the office, and we'll put it on our system, and we'll give you an opinion whether it's worth buying. I'd first of all like to just say our training system was designed by a brilliant American lady in the 70s. Friends of mine in BT in the 80s and 90s took it to another level completely. I believe at Equity Story, and I think you can see by the results we've done so far, we're taking it to another level, which is going to make this company, I think, a very special business. Also, just for a little bit of fun, when we first opened Equity Story, I had a lot of people asking me for really short-term trades. It's not really what we do. Our trendings are mostly normally 45 days. To be honest, we like a trend to go on for even a year if we can. But a lot of people said, Dave, if you've got something that something this week. So we do these like little buy signals. And again, these have been proved amazingly successful. So what we say to people, if you think the market's going to go up that week, you can buy the buy signals on the open on Monday. We won't say when to sell these stocks. We leave it up to the members, mainly because a lot of them also using CFDs with different spreads. But this is get a great little graph, and you see the classic buy signals. You can click the graph. You can see these little marks here, and they'll tell you when the signal should go through. Today's the 26th of February, and this was AOG we did this week, and this is TME, and I think both these stocks again clicked this week. So you can actually go on the Einstein's trending blog, and you can go back in the past, and you can see the results of these little buy and sell signals, and again they are incredibly successful, and just I think those on its own are worth the membership for Equity Story, because they're simply better than anything in the marketplace at the moment. Just going back to the main website, we've got 3 sort of other main sections of the website. We have first of all the 3-year growth stories, where we have at the moment there's sort of 22 recommendations, and those stocks that we believe will really outperform the market in the next 3 years. They're not trending stocks. They are longer term holds. However, we will take profits if one of these stocks jumps ridiculously in a very short time. We're not stupid. At the end of the day, Equity Story, we're only about making money. Although we like stocks, we don't particularly want to fall in love with stocks, and we are in the money business, and our business is making money for you and not putting you into shares. And I think that's very important to explain to you. So we've got at the moment a lot of 10 baggers. These again, I mean, both these since we've opened, I think they've had over about 150% returns. It's been absolutely stunning, and 10 baggers I really enjoy. We look for really sort of startups and really under the radar companies, so to speak, that we believe could have exceptional growth over the next sort of 2 or 3 years. Recent one we just put on, I'll let you into that. It's a nice one called XREF, and they're a very, very interesting company. The code is XF1, and certainly we believe they could do very well over the next few years. And then we've got another section where we do future blue chips, and here we look on. It's a little bit of a sort of an intellectual area of the website where we're really, I suppose, questioning the idea of blue chips. And I think if you look in the past sort of 15, 10 years, a lot of blue chips have gone broke, and the world is changing so fast. If you do want to hold a story and you want to hold it for 10 years, what we could recommend as a blue chip, which should always be a blue chip. And I think because the world is changing very quickly, you do have to question the old mindset of holding stocks for a long time, because I think it's proving a pretty dangerous tactic in this world we live in. Then on the last little bit of the website, we often put a story of the month out, just talking about a new story that we're interested in, and just put on the watch list. So we do offer a fantastic array of products, and I think importantly, the only thing that matters, like I said, is obviously making money, and these are the sort of results that we've been putting out since we started. And when you look at those results in a pretty tough market, I think it's just unbelievable. We are holding about sort of 10 stocks at the moment. We won't panic out of stocks if the trend breaks, and we'll wait till they come back up and take a little profit out of those. And that's why I think well, first of all, we won the award from APAC Insider our first year as the best online share advice, and even better than this, I think our results in a difficult market have I think stunned the financial community. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story. If you want to join, there's you just got to click the Join Now button. The price at the moment is $880 for the year. Please check with your financial advisor. It should be tax deductible, but conditions apply. We also have some great offers from many companies, if you're a member of Equity Story, where for example, instead of paying $20 or $29 for trade, with Equity Story, if you remember, you can pay $9.85 up to 20 grand, which again, some of our really frequent members are saving thousands of dollars a year just with those the ability to trade cheaper. Anyway, thank you very much for listening to Equity Story, and enjoy the service.